Wanted to show you guys what a monoblock manifold looks like for plumbing, but every house should have this. I would assume newer houses do now, but it's basically a distribution block. It just happened to be called monoblock, and you have outputs going to every faucet, every fixture in your house. I've got 3 more codes to do: dishwasher, ice maker, and what else? There was another sink somewhere, but these are blue is cold, red is hot. The other three cold ones are right here. But this is the key, and this is great for servicing your house, or if there's a leak, you just come in here, find the problem area, put this little diamond inside right here, and just turn it. And so you can isolate whichever plumbing has an issue. If you have a 1-story house, you can redo this with crawl spaces up in your attic. But if you have a 2-story, you can't do it. But when our house flooded, I ended up doing the entire house, ripped everything out, and did this for a fraction of the cost. We had all the sheetrock out of the way, so I'm looking up one day. I said, "Guys, tear all this out," and we did. So this is much, much better to service, and the PEX last a long time. And I don't know why, and you can do this yourself, but let me show you guys something. It's just surprising the things that people want to pay for. Plumbers, this is the easiest thing you can do yourself. Plumbers are so overpriced. They charge, going rate right now is $600 per fixture. So this laundry sink right here, they would charge you $600 for this. For every toilet you have, every other sink, $600. And let me show you how easy it is to do. Like I tell you, I don't know why more people don't learn how to do stuff on their own. To do this PEX, this is the PEX pipe. It comes in 3/4, ½ inch, or an inch. You can get these 90-degree elbows to stiffen it up if you got to make bends. This plastic piece, they make these out of brass also. You put a ring inside first. You put this there. These little tabs do not allow you to push forward. This is not a ½ inch ring. This is 3/4. But a ½ inch ring would line up right on that tab right there. And then you get a crimping tool. And look how easy this is. This is made out of brass or copper. It's hard. It's hard. See? And look. You squeeze hard enough. I've changed the shape of it. But you put this in here. And again, this is ½ inch, so it would go there. But you literally would just squeeze it down until that pops. And that is it. So you've compressed it. It's sealed here on the notches, so you would not be able to pull this out. But it is so simple to do. One of the guys that I use a lot brings his kid. He's about 12 years old, and let him get underneath the sinks and do this. All you do is put this here, right there, and squeeze and crimp it together. There's another type of fitting. It's called a clamp, and it pinches here on the edge, and it squeezes it down. These are the other clamp style. Is better if you live in an area where water freezes. So we don't. But when you compress it, it just literally squeezes this tighter, makes a seal. Bulletproof. But stuff you can do on your own. But you want to pay $600 for these guys to do this work? It's stupid what people will not allow themselves to learn something they can do themselves. You can buy this in rolls, and it's super simple to. It doesn't weigh anything. You can put it wherever you want, run it wherever you want. Anyway, enough said. I am done. You need plumbing work, call me, and I'll overcharge you.